Good evening internet. The time is 6:51 and the sunset is at 7:40 today. The plan is to catch the sunset in Gulmarg this evening, but the challenge is to get there on time because we have less than 50 minutes and the distance is around 32 kilometers. Let's see if we can get there. We'll try to cover the distance as fast as we can. So this is the main market of Kunza. It's 7:10 already and we still have a long way to go. Looks like we are going to miss it, but we'll still try our best and push as hard as we can. This is Chandilura, another major town on way to Gulmarg. This would be the last major market en route Gulmarg. By the way, a fun fact, Gulmarg was called Gulmarg, which is Lord Shiva's wife's name, before it was renamed by Yusuf Shah Chak. Gul in Urdu means flower, it means flower in Persian as well, and Marag means a field, a pasture, a meadow. So the literal translation of the term Gulmarg is a meadow of flowers. So we have almost reached Gulmarg. This is the, you can say, a layover spot for tourists as well as locals. This is also a beautiful place with the Firozpur Nala and Babel rivers. It's an absolutely majestic small town. Gulmarg is a place where locals come in the evenings during hot summers to freshen up a bit. It's the Gulmarg. Andhra. ऐसी दो ही बन रहा है. Is
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made it right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. You never changed, just wait for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold dark wind in the sun still behind the trees.
Huh? Alright, so it's 7:28 already and the sunset is in 12 minutes. I don't think we're going to make it in time, but we're going to try for sure.